Next is highest common factor. Highest common factor we can write HCF. It is the highest among the common factors. HCF of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. You have to identify the greatest of their common factors. You have already learned a different method, taking the common factors and finding the highest one. But here what we are using is prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 8 and 12. We are going to find the HCF using the prime factorization. So 8 least number which you can divide as 2. So 4, again 2, 2 2s are 4, 2, 1. So we can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. Then 12, least number 2, 6, again 2, 3. Then we can divide it by 3 only, it is 1. So we can write 12 is equal to how many 2's? 2 into 2. Then leave the space into 3, another group. So what do you have to take us? The common factor. These two are the common factors. So HCF of 8 and 12 is equal to, you have to take one from this group. So 2 from first group and 2 from the second group also. So the HCF is equal to 4. Here what we have used is prime factorization method. We have written 8 as a product of prime numbers as 2 into 2 into 2 and 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. From here we have identified the common factors. This is common and this is common, and from each group we have taken 1. So it is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Next, find the HCF of 30 and 42. Same way, 2 is the least number, 15. 15 2's are 30. Then 5 is the next number, 5 3's are 15. So 3 1. So we can write 30 as 2 into 3 into 5. Then 42, least number is 2. So 2 2's are 4, 2 1's are 2. Then least number is 3. 7 3's are 21. Then 7 1. So we can write this as 42 is equal to 2 into 3. 7 is another group. You have to keep like this. So take the common. 2 is common and 3 is common. So HCF of 30 and 42 is equal to, from this group 2, from this group 3. So it is equal to 6. So the HCF of 30 and 42 is equal to 6. Find the HCF of 20, 28 and 36. Least number 2, 10. 2, 5. 5, 1. So it is equal to 20, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 5. So 28, 2, 1, 14. 2, 7 2's are 14. 7, 1. So we can write 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. 36, the number which is easy for us is 3. 2 is also divisible by this. 2, we can divide this by 2 also, but what we are taking is 3. It is easy. 3 1's are 3, 3 2's are 6. Then again 3, 3 4's are 12. Then 4 you can write as 2 2's are 4. Then 2 1. So we can write this 36. 36 is equal to how many 2's? 2 2's are there. Then 3 into 3. So what is common in these two? This 2 is common. All the 3 we have to take. So the answer is HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. The HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is 2. 2 into 2 which is equal to 4. So, what we have taken here is we have written the prime factorization of all the 3 and we have taken the common number of all the 3. So, 2 is common in these 3. So, we are taking it as 2 into 2 which is equal to 4. Then find the HCF of 70, 105 and 175. So, first one is 70, 2 we can divide. So, 35 into 2 because half of 70. So, next is 5, 7, 7 ones are 7. So, we can write 70 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. Then 105 we can take 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Then 3, 7 3s are 21, 7 1. So, we can write 105 is equal to, no 2, yes 1 5 is there. So, 5 into 7 is there and 1 3 another group. Then 175. Again we can take 5, 5 3s are 15, so 25, 5 5s are 25. So, next is 5, 7, 5 into 7. So, we can write 175 is equal to 1 5 you can write along with this and 1 7 you can write along with this and one more 5 you can write here. So, easy to take the common factor. So, HCF of 70, 105, 175 is equal to 5 into 7 which is equal to 35. So, we have taken the prime factorization of each number and taken the common factor. Here we are taking 5 from this group and 7 from this group. So, 5 into 7, 35. Next question, what is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers? HCF of any 2 consecutive numbers. We can take 2 and 3. What is the HCF of 2 and 3? Any common factor. Here 1 is the only common factor among this. So, we can write HCF is equal to 1. Then 2 and 4. You can write 2 as it's even numbers. 2 consecutive even numbers. Even numbers means 2 even numbers 2 and 4 consecutive. So, we can write 2 as 2 itself and 4 you can write as 2 into 2. So, from these two what we can take? 2. So, HCF of 2 and 4 is equal to 2. Then 2 consecutive odd numbers 3 and 5 I am taking. So, HCF of 3 and 5, no other common factor except 1. So, it is 1. Next question, HCF of coprime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. 4 we have written as 2 into 2 and 15 we have written as 3 into 5. Since there is no common factors, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? I have already discussed that. So, 4 and 15 are coprime numbers. So, only one is a common factor. So, HCF of 4 and 15 not equal to 0, but it is equal to 1. It is equal to 1. And homework, exercise 3.6, first question, remaining questions.